The MTU extension model has 6 levels, each holding 20 MTUs equivalent to 100 tests, for a total capacity of 600 tests. The MTU extension model can be accessed at any time. Open the door and take the rail out to start loading MTUs. Place the box on the input queue. You will feel the middle tube entering the track. Slide the box outward to leave only the MTUs in place. You can load 20 MTUs at a time. Visually check that each MTU has its barcode, distributor foot and tiplets. Push the first MTUs with the second box to load an additional box of MTUs. Do not touch the MTUs with your hands at any time. Once the visual check of the second box of MTUs is done, you can close the door. The MTUs will be moved to a free level of the MTU extension model and the MTU inventory will be updated. If needed, repeat the process to fill another level with MTUs.